It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. I raise my eyes towards the mountains. Where will my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Psalms 121, 1 and 2. Be blessed. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my page, hey, how are you doing? If you are a returning subscriber, sis, you know what's up. What it do, baby? Today is going to be a good one because it's about to go down. Okay, I'm so excited because I'm going to show you guys a versatile look using the Jeanette collection Kinky Crush Bulk Hair. I saw this at the beauty supply store and I was amazed. I needed to try it. I'm not a fan of bulky, big hair, if that makes sense, because I have a round face, so I try to stay away from big hair because it be me saca my thumb. I'm like, it makes my cheek overdo itself. So yeah, but when I saw this at the beauty supply store, I said, listen, we gotta try it. Now that we're in quarantine, it's best to just try stop before we get out the house, So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna leave my affiliate link down below if you want to purchase the hair. What this does is basically I get commission off of anyone that purchased the hair off of this link. So I'm helping you out, and I'm also helping, I'm helping you out, and you're helping me out as well. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. This part right here is the hair that I'm gonna leave out. I haven't done this in a while. I remember doing this when I used to get sew-ins. The memories. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And the first thing I did before this was I used my hair crack, which is my leave-in conditioner, to spray everything out and just to get the dryness out of my hair out. And then I'm gonna go in with the CAMILLE Rose leave-in honey leave-in conditioner, and that is by far the best ever. Okay, it moisturizes my hair like crazy. And yeah, so this is what the under the crochet, behind the scene looks like. And we're struggling right there. Okay, so anywho, this is how the back is going to look like after I am done. Like this. Turn around, mama. Turn around, mama. So it's gonna look like this. I also am going to be leaving the back of my hair out as well. And before we start, we gotta take care of the scalp, baby. Okay, we are trying to grow our hair out, and this is my OG right here, my hair growth oil. I talked about this in my previous video, and it grows my hair like crazy. So I highly recommend this oil if you are trying to grow your hair out, especially when you're wearing protective style. This oil right here, no question about it. Okay, so next, this is how we are looking. Now we're gonna get the Kinky Crush 36-inch bulk. Bulk, baby. Okay, we're gonna bring out them Angela Davis looking self out of here. Wait, what? Oh my goodness. She is one of my favorite activists, if you got the joke. It didn't even make sense, but anyway. Normally, when I get crochets that have like relaxed ends to them, I like to call them relaxed ends, I normally transition my crochet, meaning I cut off the little straight ends. But this time around, I don't know what happened. Like, I don't think I was thinking about cutting them off. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, if you have this hair, or if you get this hair, I highly recommend you to cut off the relaxed end. You got to transition to crochet. It would be a lot more easier when it comes to just looking cute at the end. You don't have to do so much, and it will be a lot more even compared to waiting until the end of your crochet once you're done to cut off the relaxed ends. So cut it off before you start, just to make it easier for you. Very complicated. I ended up keeping it, and it made it a lot more confusing, and it didn't look as neat as it should if I would have cut the ends. So yeah, that's one thing about the crochet I am gonna say. Another thing I am gonna say is it's not my hair texture, but I love the fact that if you were to blow your hair out, it will look really natural with the kinky crochet, which was what I did. I didn't blow my hair out, but I styled my hair the night before. I did a ponytail the night before, and then you guys saw that I was using my water and all that stuff. But later on, I was able to blend my hair with the crochet like this. My goodness, this hair. Sis, go get you this hair, okay? Click the link down below. Go get you this hair. So yeah, I am gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. And the rest is basically self-explanatory. Sis almost cut her hair off. I was gonna end the whole video right there if I would cut my hair off. You know how long it took me to grow my hair out. Sorry. But yeah, enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. The rest is self-explanatory. I'm gonna show you guys the 4 styles that you can do with this hairstyle, as well as far as like versatile. And I will leave my affiliate link down below. Like, subscribe, and share. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this in my previous video. I'm doing a 16K giveaway, which means once I hit 16K subscribers, I am going to be giving away I'm feeling a little bit generous. We're gonna bump it up. I'm gonna be doing a $100 giveaway to 2 lucky winners. Yes, I said it. $100 giveaway to 2 lucky winners. Shit, you about to get some money. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and also share this video. Follow me on Instagram, and all my information will be posted on my Instagram, so that's why you have to follow me on Instagram for you to be notified when I do the giveaway. You feel me? And I just want to say thank you to those who've been watching my video for a very long time. Thank you to my new subscribers that recently just subscribed. We're gonna be doing it big on this channel, okay? Welcome. We about to be walking around like, what it do, baby? Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, and use that link down below to purchase everything that I showed on this video, or in this video. Yes. Bye guys. God bless.